Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to change your server in Free Fire or Free Fire Max step by step. Let's get started. First, you need to take note this. Free Fire automatically assigns your server based on your location when you create your account. You cannot directly change the server of an existing account. The only working method is by creating a new account using the VPN. First, log out your current account. Open the Free Fire or the Free Fire Max and go to the settings and log out your current account and download a VPN app from your app store. Some commonly used like Proton VPN, Windscribe, Cloudflare, and more. Open the VPN and connect to the country of the server you want. And once your VPN is connected, launch the Free Fire. Make sure that the VPN stays on. Now sign up using the guest account. Facebook, Google, because your VPN is connected to another country, the Free Fire will assign your new account to that region server. And after entering the game, you need to check the events, the leaderboards, or language differences. These usually indicate you're now in a different regional server. And important things to remember. Open or once the account is created or on a server, it cannot be moved later and you'll need a new account for each server. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.